Do you recall any other job locations before you went over to?
I don't recall any at this time.
Okay. If any of them come to you as we're talking, please let me know.
Okay.
Okay. So after, and you're not sure if there's other jobs, you went back to the union hall, put your name on a book, and then you were called out by a contractor to go work.
That's right.
And if I refer to on the first day, you told your counsel that you were called working on 2 turnarounds on units 2 and 3. Is that correct?
I believe it was 2. I'm not sure how many turnaround, but 2 or 3, but I believe 2.
As you sit here, today, you were called working on 2 occasions.
Yes.
And it was on units 2 and 3.
Yes.
You previously told us that you worked for on 1 occasion. Those were your 2 employers, or you may have worked for both occasions.
That's correct.
Do you recall who your employer was while you were at?
Well, we just talked about it, didn't we?
Can you distinguish your work? Sorry, strike that. Do you have a general recollection of working? Can you distinguish your work for?
Vague, ambiguous.
I couldn't distinguish between the 2 of them.
Can you distinguish your work on the 2 turnarounds, or do you just have a general recollection of working on 2 turnarounds?
Ambiguous, vague.
Just a general on the 2 turnarounds.
So just to be clear, you can't tell me what you were doing while you were employed by.
That's right.
It's testimony, it's vague, it's ambiguous, it's overbroad.
Do you recall when you worked?
No, the year I couldn't say. It was in the mid to late 80s.
Can you give me an estimate of your total amount of time working at?
Improper, incomplete, hypothetical, overly broad.
Maybe 6 weeks total.
And was your work continuous while you?
Yes.
And were you working on a day shift, night shift?
It was a day shift.
And you told me that you told Miss your work was on units 2 and 3. Can you distinguish your work from units 2 to unit 3?
Ambiguous, vague, overly broad.
No, I couldn't.